Hello guys, this is Abhishekta. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Iconic Hair Styler machine. I have purchased these two machines, Iconic Crimper and Iconic Curler from Nykaa. You can go through the Nykaa app, and I am just sharing the review of these machines. So let's get started. At first, I have bought this Iconic S9 Plus Crimper. This is a great machine, and those people are professional makeup artists. It is must have product for them. So I open this machine. Okay. Mm, this is Iconic Professional Crimper S9 Plus, and it is a beautiful machine. And आप जो लोग प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है वो ये मशीन एकदम यूज़ कर सकती है। पहले एट फर्स्ट आपको इस पैकेजिंग में, आपको कार्डबोर्ड पैकेजिंग में मशीन आपको मिलेगा, एंड इसका जो पैकेजिंग है वो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग है। आई मीन कोई डैमेज होने की कोई निशान नहीं, मुझे तो नहीं लगा। एंड दिस इज द मशीन। आई ओपन, this is the hair styler machine. It's really amazing. I don't open it. At first I have to open this lock. This lock is the wear. It will take a lot of time. Finally I open it. Oh, second lock it is. Okay. Yeah, I open it. Oh, at first I just tell you guys the features of these machines. It is a Ironic technology resistance machine, and is have a cord which is 360-degree rotation. See, and machines have the heat resistance or the heat control power, and it is a great machine. It is very hard, that you can see this, very hard, and its length is too much long, and it has the digital temperature controller, wet to dry features, and 9 feet long several cord for hassle free styling. That means its cord is 360-degree rotation movement. That means you can do every type of styling while are you plugging these machines. So okay, let's get try this machine. Okay, at first I plug it from current, and set the temperature. At first I have to set this temperature at first. So on, and at first I have to set up the temperature. It is 180 degrees Celsius now. I put this temperature in 200 degrees Celsius. You can see this. So it take 10 seconds to take heat. At first I take a section of my hair. The machine is too much fast. I just comb my hair. You can see this is, and put the machine between my hair and just tap it. Wow, that's great. The machine is working really very good. Amazing. Just see how fast working it. Wow, that's great. The machine is very very much working. See the result. I take another section of my hair and also put the machine and just do tap tap. Okay, see, oh my god, work properly. Really, very good machine. Wow. So, how is the look? Take one more section and also crimp it. Great. See the result. Really very beautiful product it is. So this is the off button. Now the temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. I off these machines by pressing this button. Then I am just giving the review of the iconic color ones. This is a very big color. Its height is probably 8 inch and the diameter is 19 millimeters. So this is a great product or machines. Its price is only 3,500 rupees, and I just get these machines in offer. I just purchased it from Nika, and the price now I am just giving review of the machine's iconic curling tongue. Okay, and this is the machine and this is the packaging. Its price is 3,500 rupees, and I have purchased it from 2000 something, I think. So this is the offer price. So let's check it. Oh, the lock, it also take much time. I just cut this video. So this is the color and this is the cord, and it also have the 360-degree rotation features, which helps you in any type of hair styles. So I plug it. So at first I take this machine and plug it on and hold the power button to on this machine. Okay, it's become on, and at first I have to set up the temperature. I think this is the right one. Okay, I just set this temperature 200 degrees Celsius. So it take also 10 seconds only. So I take a section from this side. So I take a small section of my hair. And apply this color from it. It will some more thick ones. I have to take a small section to curl my hair. You can see I take this section and rotate my hair from it and just wait it for 10 seconds. It done, and slowly I am removing this. This is the curl. I think it not work properly. Okay, next try. I'm taking a little amount of section. Okay, then I am applying this in this rotation. Wait for some seconds. Then remove my hair from this machine slowly. Wow, see the result. That's great. So this is the curl looks like. How cute this curl is. Okay, I'm just taking another section of my hair and also apply the machines. Hold it for 10 seconds. It's really very hot. And just remove it slowly. Wow, that's great. I apply my whole hair. One by one, I just done my hair curl on my half section of my hair. So this is the curling looks, and this is the crimping looks. It's really very great product. So this is the look of my hair by using the iconic ones, hair crimper, and the curler is 9 plus and CT90. So this is the result. So this is enough for today. Hope you all guys will like my video and also subscribe my channel and also share my video. So thank you very much and bye bye.